Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're joining me from or wherever you're watching this video from. How you doing? Have you been? How was your week? I hope you had a wonderful week. Um, Welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time stopping by this channel, you are so welcome. And for my old subscribers who have been coming to see me week after week, you are highly welcome. I love you guys. So today I want to be talking to you guys about um, body repair oil. So before we do that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so right now. It doesn't cost you any money. It's just for you to click the red button on the right hand or the left hand side of your screen. Um, Hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so whenever I upload a video you will not get to miss any of my videos. And share this video, like this video, leave comments, give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you want me to keep doing more videos, please support. Okay, so for those who are new, week after week we celebrate each other. Inner beauty, outer beauty, skin color we have achieved, skin color we are still trying to achieve. We celebrate each other's birthdays, anniversaries, whatever it is that you're celebrating for the week, we are celebrating with you. So cheers to all of you. So now let's jump straight to the topic. Today, like I said earlier, I'm going to be making a review, or I'm going to be telling you guys about this product. It's like for the past 3 weeks I've been talking about this particular product. You guys know when I like something, I want to make sure everyone around me, everyone I care about, everyone I love, get to know about this particular thing that I like, that I love. Okay, I want you guys to know about it because I want you guys to be part of it. So today I'm going to be talking to you about the again the No Limit Skin Repair Oil. Okay, No Limit Body Treatment Oil Skin Repair. This oil right here, I don't know if you can see my, there we go. But if you cannot see it very well because of my camera, I'm gonna take a picture of it. It's gonna be on my thumbnail so you will see it there better. Now this oil, this one is mine, okay? That's why it's not sealed. You can see that I open it because I'm using, but when you buy your own, it's going to come sealed. I can't even open it, but like this is mine. You can see when I pump, see that? So this is mine. When you buy yours, it's going to be sealed. You cannot do that. So this is the one I'm using for myself. So I tell you guys, I try to use stuff before I come here and sit down and start running my mouth, to tell you guys about it. And anything that I have not used also, I will also tell you. But for this particular one, you can see. So now let me start telling you what I wanted to say. This No Limit Skin Repair Oil, if you're having any issues with your skin, I want to make this video very short. It's not going to be long at all. If you're having any issue with your skin, you have stretch mark, you have green veins, any type of skin irritation at all on your skin, I will advise you to go and get this oil. Okay, now if you just had a baby and when you're pregnant, your hormones are like up and down like roller coaster, go and get this oil and use it for yourself. If you have a damaged skin, go and get this oil and use it for yourself. You'll come back and thank me later. If you have any damaged skin, stop whatever you're using, get this oil, use it. Okay, repair your skin, jeje. Then you can go back and start using whatever you want to use that will make your skin look beautiful. For now, this is like what you need right here. It's not even like this is what you need. Okay, it's going to help you with stretch mark, like I said earlier. It's going to help you with green vein. Any type of skin irritation that you have is going to help you. There is no chemical on this product whatsoever. The reason why I know that because of the way it smells. It doesn't smell like the other ones, like the lotion and all this that has this beautiful smell. Okay, this one smell, I don't know. Those of you who are Nigerians, I don't know about other African countries, they call it the same. If you know what they call cannel oil, I don't know if you know the kernel oil. You know kernel, when they break it and fry it, that oil that comes out, the oil is very black, okay? This oil smells like that. I love the smell of kernel oil, okay? I use it for my mom, always send it to me. I use it for my babies when they were small here. You know, that oil is like very spiritual and all that. So it's supposed to be like driving evil spirit around you away when they smell it. This is how this oil smells like. I love the smell. It's different from every other treatment oil that I've come across or that I've used. I like how it smells because it's made from natural plant. Okay, it's made from pure plant extra, so it doesn't have any like fancy all this like chemical smell on it. It just smells very very, I don't know, I'm trying, like, I'm looking for a word to use. Earthly, is that even a word? I don't know, but you guys know what I'm talking about. When I leave me a English, they had to speak. So like, but at least you guys understand the concept of what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm trying to say. It's just I don't have the right words to bring it out. But the only thing you're going to get from all this is that this oil will help you in repairing your skin. Okay, if you have white patches on your body, those of you who have used product that gave you white patches, if you have white patches on your legs, on your arm, anywhere you have patches on your body, buy this cream, buy this oil and use it. This oil would help in repairing that area where you have those white patches. My advice is just stop whatever you're using and use it all over your body. Even if your skin is not damaged, you can still use this oil. You can see mine. I use mine. I apply it all over my body. Like if I use my product that I'm using right now, you know I'm using these ones, right? So when I use it for like 2 weeks straight, I will take a 1 week break. I will apply this oil on my skin to relax my body. And sometimes I use it to do massage on my skin. I let my husband use it for me. So when I do massage, I use this. It's very good. It's very soothing on the skin. Okay, so you can go and get your own. Don't tell me, Tina, I didn't know. Those who have been buying this oil are coming back to give me very good result, that the oil is very good. They like this oil. So I don't want you to be behind. I don't want you to be left out. That's why I came today to make this video. I didn't want to make a video today, but I was like, you know what, I have to let these people know what exactly is going on. So please go and pick your own, buy it and start using it, and come back and give me result. And if you have been using this oil and it's doing wonders on your skin, please leave your comments on the comment section. Let us know, so people will know I'm not sitting here just talking because I feel like talking. So they know what I'm saying. It is very correct and true. Please leave your comments. Like I said earlier, because of the cold, sometimes when the oil comes, it's kind of like real hard in the bottle. But what I do, I just put a little warm water in the like a bowl or cup, sit it inside for a minute or two, let it, it will just dissolve by itself. It becomes watery like this. But I know come summer, by the time they ship it to us, it still be like this. I like how it comes like hard because it doesn't spill. But with this thing on top of it, it doesn't allow it to spill anyway. So it's very good. They did a good job with the packaging. This company is really trying. They are actually really like sitting down, like think about what women are going through on a daily basis, and trying to fix those problems for us, which I'm very, very happy with the CEO of this company. She's doing a very good job. Keep it up. If you are watching this video, if you're not watching, somebody send it to her, please. So like I said earlier, for all those who have been waiting, the products are in again. Like, I'm at this point, I don't even know what to say anymore, because ever since I made a review about this video, about this particular product, people have been calling me non-stop. The products are like flying off the shelf. If the products were not good, trust me, people will not be buying this product. This product is good. And if you're still sitting in your house thinking, I don't know, what I make I buy, what I make I not buy, but the product costs, so it's your body. You want to feed your body well. You eat good food, right? You eat good because you want to be healthy. Why don't you feed your skin something good so your skin also can be healthy? Being healthy is not only from inside, You have to treat your skin. You have to pamper your skin. You work so hard, morning and day. You're just, you're going back and forth, back and forth. Why not spend a little extra money to feed your skin with something good? Apply a good cream on your body. It will show, trust me. When you're using good product on your body, when you step out the door, people will notice your skin. You don't even need to say anything. People will notice your skin. Some people will come to you and ask, please, what are you using? Some will just be staring at you. Staring at you not because you're not dressing well or anything. They are looking at your skin. When your skin is just glowing, it shines like a star. Like, I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. I love when my skin is beautiful. If I see anything on my skin that I don't like, it irritates me. I'm like, oh my God, I'll be whining all day at home. Why is this on my skin? Why is it? Like, you guys just don't know. I said, looking good is good business. Looking good makes you happy. Like when your skin is popping, even you're not wearing the best of clothes, you're not wearing the designer clothes, but when you step and when somebody look at your skin, they will say, wow, they know you're pumping money on your skin. You understand? So I'm encouraging all those who have not bought this product, please, I am begging you, go and buy your own. Don't call me on the phone and say, Tina, your skin is so beautiful. I'll say, I know, thank you, but have you gotten your own product? Please buy your own. We have them in stock now, fully. The entire set is in stock. Come and buy your own. Come and buy. You can see the new bottles now. I showed you last time. They are sealed. See that? So they come sealed like this now. So come and buy your own. Oh. That's all about the oil. And if you bought the set before, you did not get the oil, you can come and get the oil too. Okay, even if you don't have any issue with your skin, still buy this oil. It's very good for the fact that it's made with plant extract. I know it's going to nurture your skin very well. You want to give it a very, it will help to moisturize the skin, and it's going to help in glowing your skin a bit. Okay, so please buy your own. Me na beg, I beg, I'm begging you guys. So I'm not forcing you, but I'm just saying, please, it is necessary to get these things and use them on your skin. I want you to look beautiful all the time. Yeah, like skin should be popping all the time, not only in the summertime because you're wearing shorts and you're wearing sandals or whatever, you're wearing short sleeve, winter or summer, your skin should be popping. What I do mostly is like during winter time, I concentrate more on my skin, because come spring, like we are now in the summertime, where I will start like exposing some other part of my body, people will be saying, wow, wow, wow. But in the summertime, when you go outside, before you know, it's so hard for you to use product because you're out in the sun. And I mean, there's AC in your car, but when you step out of the car to go to the post office, of course, you're walking under the sun. So you don't want to be exposing too much. And you have to worry about sunscreen and all that. So I concentrate on my skin more in the winter time. So when summer comes, my skin is like, whoo, I'll be doing not so much. You understand? So please, let me stop talking. You see, the product is here, is here, is here, is here, is here. Come and pick your own. You guys know once video is all within 10-20 minutes, we are sold out. Please come and get your own. Those who have been waiting in line, waiting on the waiting list for this product, the product is finally here. I'm going to start making phone calls, okay, to you guys, so you can start purchasing your own. Those who have already paid, some people didn't want to like take no finance. They even paid before the product came, so I'll be doing all their shipping out tomorrow. All the shippings will be going out tomorrow. So if you want your shipping to leave tomorrow, please call me today, send your money down so we can ship for you tomorrow. That will be it today. I will see you guys here again very shortly. Like I said, please go and get this baby. Go and get this baby. See, you will love it. I promise you, you're going to love it. Me, when I come here and talk, I know what I'm talking about. It's something that I have tested. So that's why I'm able to talk to you with confidence. You understand? And then again, product work differently on individual skin, okay? There are some still people out there that will tell you this product did not work for them. That's life. Some people's skin is like wire. It's like iron. Whatever they use is never work. But that does not discourage others from using this. Some people have used so many things, but as soon as they touch this product, that was it. As soon as they touch this product, they'll tell you, I'm not going anywhere, Tina. This is my final bus stop. So this is, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So skin is different, but I'm telling you, 95%, I would say 99% of people who I have sold this product to have come back to tell me this product is good for them. So that is good enough for me. You understand? I have even tested it myself and I like it. All right. So, all right, guys, that's it for the skin repair oil. I'll see you guys here shortly. You guys have a wonderful, amazing week ahead of you. Be kind. I love you guys. I will see you shortly.